This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christine Montilia. Step into this beautifully updated residence featuring new wood-look tile flooring and plantation shutters throughout, offering a clean and cohesive look. The modern kitchen is a chef's dream, showcasing quartz countertops, soft close cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and recessed lighting for a sleek, contemporary feel. The kitchen is open to the great room and dining area, both beautifully furnished with a coastal flair. The primary suite is a true retreat with a tray ceiling, walk-in closet, and en-suite bath featuring a seamless glass shower and quartz vanity. The guest bath also impresses with a walk-in shower and quartz counter. Enjoy the convenience of a fully updated laundry area with new washer/dryer and custom cabinetry. The 2023 air conditioning and water heater ensure comfort and efficiency year-round. Relax and unwind on the screened lanai, complete with tiled flooring and tranquil views of the lush preserve, a perfect spot for morning coffee or evening cocktails. This lovely home is being sold turnkey furnished. Just unpack your suitcase and enjoy this incredible lifestyle. If you are looking for an active lifestyle, look no further. 27 holes of championship golf, 14 pickleball, 8 tennis and 6 bocce courts. State-of-the-art fitness center that is professionally staffed. Pelican Sound is nestled up to the Estero River with access to the Gulf. The community offers dry boat storage, kayaks, canoes and paddle boarding, along with a shuttle boat to Lovers Key State Beach Park. Minutes from RSW International Airport and surrounded by fabulous shopping and restaurants. Start living the dream. For more information, review the details below.